Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the color of clothes in your video using InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my InShot, and first thing first, I'm going to create new project. I'm going to click on video and click on new, and here we need to choose blank. You can choose this blank background. You can add it to your project by clicking on this check mark, and I'm going to duplicate this blank background. I'm going to click on the duplicate option. Okay, one more time, and I'm going to change the color. I'm going to select red color. Okay, you can choose the color that you want to apply to your clothes. You can go to background and then choose the color. I'm going to select purple as well. Oops. Okay, and for this one, I'm going to choose yellow. Okay, then we're going to add the video. Want to change the color of clothes. I'm going to go to the PIP and then I'm going to change the color of clothes of this video. Okay, we can click on this autofill button to fit the screen, and then you can use chroma feature to change the color. You can select the cutout and then select chroma, and then place the circle on your clothes. Then you can adjust the strength and the shadow as well. Okay, now it's done, and this is the final result. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to change the color of clothes in our video using InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.